Hi guys, my name is Ethan Zappi, and this is my very first ever YouTube video. So if you might not know this, probably none of you don't, because this is my first video. I love Nerf guns. So for my very first video, I was thinking of using Nerf guns. So I was going to do my top 3 least favorite Nerf guns that I have. So my very first Nerf gun is called a Stinger pistol. It may look really cool, but it's not. So it's easy to use. You put the bullet in, pull this down there, and then you just shoot. It's easy. But first off, it doesn't hurt at all. And this, sometimes you gotta pull it up, and sometimes it goes right back down. So, and then here, those holes hold bullets like this, but it's useless because then they'll just fall right out, and that's happened. So there, that's just how it works. So my next gun I have is big. You can already tell that. This is the Fortnite tactical shotgun, but it's not actually tactical. It's pump, because how other way would you have a tactical shotgun in real life? I mean, there's real ones, but for a Nerf gun, not really. So yeah, the reason I don't like this one is right in there. That's where you put the bullets in, but it always gets clogged. Let me see if it gets clogged. Oh yeah, it got clogged the first time. Look in there, you see that? They're all clogged up, so I gotta take the bullet out. Yeah, this is the reason why you might not want to buy this gun. Oh great, I think I might have broken it. Alright, we'll just leave that gun for later and show you my least favorite Nerf gun that I actually have. I don't like it. Trust me about that. So this gun looks super cool. It's I guess I'm going to say this Star Wars Stormtrooper blaster. Uses a magazine to put it in the side. But here, look. First off, it has no power whatsoever, and it always gets clogged. This time, for once, it actually didn't get clogged, so probably this one would be my least favorite Nerf gun. Man, this thing is actually clogged up, man. Wow, I'm gonna have to get my friend's help. So, thank you for watching my very first YouTube video. I hope you all like it. Subscribe and tap the bell for notifications to ever know when I am releasing another super cool video. Peace out.